We're going to walk you through how you can use Talent Insights in Recruiter to develop smarter talent strategies. From Recruiter, you can access LinkedIn Talent Insights data, giving you powerful information about the talent market. Let's say you're looking for software engineering talent in the United States. You'd start with a search in Recruiter, just like normal. But instead of diving right into the candidates, you can now visit the Talent Insights Report tab to get a better understanding of the talent market. To get started, just create a new project or open an existing one. The report pulls data using your talent pool search filters available in Talent Insights. You can click here to see your search criteria. Now, let's look at supply and demand. You can see how large your addressable market is looking at the number of professionals listed. You can also see the gender diversity breakdown. Here, you can see that hiring demand for this talent is very high. You can also see job postings, which can show you how competitive the market is. Next, you can take a look at location. You can see all of this information for easy comparison and insight into where you should have the most success sourcing. You can also get some sourcing tips, like companies to consider, where you can see top employers and peer companies. For each company, you can see the total number of professionals, job posts, as well as attrition data. You can also uncover hidden gem locations. These are locations with lower hiring demand relative to supply. That can help you identify new markets to consider. To do deeper analysis on the talent pool, you can always click to see more in Talent Insights. Your recruiter search will automatically be replicated. With Talent Insights data, you get results faster with data-driven recruiting made easy.